All right, so I'm going to show you how to rig a human skeleton, and you can pick a skeleton from any website of your choice. So in this case, I'm using one model from CG Trader. So it's a free model that you can use for any of your projects. And yeah, this is the one I'm going to use. So download it as an FBX and then import it into Blender. So I'm using Blender 4.3.2. So let's go ahead and import it. So I'll click on import, then go to FBX as the file format and locate the model on my computer, and it's imported. So I'm gonna use AutoRig Pro as the add-on for rigging. I find it convenient for all rigging purposes, but yeah, we'll click on N to access the side panel and then go to AutoRig Pro. Then select the model that we are about to rig and then click on AutoRig Pro Smart. Click on Get Selected Objects. Here you have full body and facial only, so go for full body and click OK. So from here it's smooth sailing, so just click on Add Neck and we slide to where the neck is. Then click on Add Chin. Then we add it where the chin is. So I'll just okay, all right, zoom in a little bit and then click on Add Shoulders. We place where the shoulders are. You don't have to be really exact for this process. Let's add wrists, just like that. All right, and then we go to hand tip. So you just pick the longest finger as the hand tip. All right, so that's the one, I believe. So let's just zoom in a little bit to make sure that we are accurate here. All right, so we're gonna add the spine root and it's just down there. Okay, so the ankles now are next. Let's add the ankles. I believe that's it. So we can add the thigh. It's optional, but I usually like adding it. Okay, just like that. And the knee. These points are added the same way you rig a human model. Yeah, so it's not just exclusive to a skeleton model. So I believe we are done. Everything is in place. We just have to go down there and click on Go. All right. So I believe the process is done. So we just have to check for any errors that may have occurred, especially the fingers. Sometimes I find that they overlap and you just have to correct them. So take your time to just make sure that every bone is properly aligned. Okay, so I'll just do this very quickly. Okay, and remember, this is mirrored on the x-axis, so whatever I do on the left side is mirrored across the other side. So the other most important thing is to make sure these three bones are aligning properly. So this has to be in the middle of the foot. So I'll move it in the middle, and then this one I'll also move it just near where the foot begins there, like that. Okay, so yeah, I believe every bone here looks good, and yeah, let's adjust the knee position. Okay, like that. and the thighs. Okay, so maybe we project the front. Okay, all right. I think we are good. So yeah, so the next step now to match to rig, that is so that these bones are matched to the mesh of the model that we are trying to rig. So I'll click on match to rig. It will give that warning. Just go ahead and click OK. Yeah, and everything seemed to be going well. And this is our rigged model. Okay, I think everything, no need for further adjustments from here. So what I'm gonna do is go to under Auto Rig Pro, click on Skin, back to Object Mode, and then select the mesh of the skeleton and also click the rig, and then we click on Bind so that the rig can control the mesh. That's our next step. Yeah, so I believe we are done now. So we just have to test the rig and see if it's working. Okay, so to do that, we select the rig and then go to pause mode. Switch to pause mode. So start with the legs. Click G, and yeah, that's looking good right there, right? And the head, let's see if the head is working correctly. Yeah, so you can see that some of the other bones are influencing other parts of the body. Like I'm moving the head, but the chest is moving as well. So this is where we go to weight painting. So let's switch back to object mode. Click on the mesh of the model that you're rigging and then switch to weight paint. Yeah. And then we will go to this section, and it has all the bones contained in this model. I'll select the head. Head, where are you? Head. So you can see that the head is influencing part of the chest there. So we have to paint this part of the section of the chest completely blue in order to remove the influence. So you click on Control and start painting. So yeah, this is completely painted in blue. And when you go back to test the rig again to see if the head is influencing the chest, we'll just go back to pause mode again and select the head. And now you can see that. Okay, so that was my daughter. My apologies. So this is how you fix some of these problems in rigging. So just make sure you go to weight paint, select the bone that is causing issues, and then you just paint blue if you want the influence to be erased. All right, so if you have any challenges rigging this, let me know, and I'll try as much as possible to answer your questions and your concerns. So yeah, this is it, and you can just go ahead and integrate this in your animation and you're good to go. Yeah. So this is the end of the tutorial, and please subscribe, and if you found any value in this, I'll be dropping more in the near future. Thanks, and bye-bye.